Hey guys, it's me, Justin Forte. Welcome to another video. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe. If anything in this video is of any value to you, don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, let's get right into it. Today, I'm putting together my new office chair. Got it from Aldi's in Philadelphia. I seen it. I was like, wow, these chairs cost like $100 to like $120 in like Staples and Office Depot. So I said, let me get it. Let me get it. That was a good deal. So yeah, let's get started. Started opening the box. Comes with like the warranty card, which is important. Pretty good warranty too. It's 2 years. It's covered for 2 years. Any problems? So just gonna get started. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I'm using my trusty Ryobi drill. Okay, show you guys the tools. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the tools I'm going to use for today. All right, so it looks like the first thing, this is also for the people that's putting together this chair at home. Doesn't seem too hard. Let's see. Congratulations, you have made an excellent choice with the purchase of this quality Sohl furniture product. Oh, by doing so, you now have the assurance and peace of mind which comes with purchasing a product that has been manufactured to the highest standards of performance and safety, supported by the high quality standards of Aldi. We hope you enjoy using this purchase for many years to come. Very nice. That's a nice little message. I've never seen a message in instructions like that. Okay, so all the pieces, you know what they are. Okay, pretty simple stuff. Looks like 9 pieces altogether. No, 7 pieces altogether. Okay. Step number 1, looks like I need, hold on. Let me see if I can see that. Yeah, it looks like you just need the back and the bottom part. Just gonna put 4 screws into it and then 6 screws into it. Okay, not too hard at all. So I think this is the bottom. Yeah, it looks like the base cushion. Not too soft, pretty firm. Okay, just take that out real quick. And it said the back, which is this part. It's getting a little stuck there, but I think I got it. Okay. This is the back, where you put your back in. Oh, cushiony, it's like a mesh. Okay, so let's move this box out the way. This might be a little tricky. Sorry, please excuse. Got some arms over here. Got some stuff. And the screws. That's how the screws come. Now it comes with an Allen wrench too, but I just use my drill because drills are fun. It's fun to use the drill, and I got the same bit, same size bit. Again, this is the Ryobi 1+ system. Also got all the bits with it, so yeah, go grab that Ryobi. It's a great price. I think I got it from Home Depot, but I'll put a link in the description to it. So yeah, let's get back to putting the chair together. Got the back and the base cushion. Just like the plastic. Okay. We'll try to connect this. I guess it goes like this. Wait, that's not right. I think it turns around like this. Damn. Okay. That looks right. You see that? Covers up these holes. Just match it up with the holes and it should be good. Okay. Got that. The screws, I believe it needs 4 screws. So first we're gonna put them in by hand just because, we don't want to mess it up with the drill. So we're gonna put a few in. This is tricky doing this on the camera, but I think I got it. Let's see. Wait, it's not matching up. Hold on. Might have to bring it back. It's not, okay, yeah, there we go. Match them up. All right. Okay, so yeah. Put the screws in there one by one. So there's 1, 2. Oh, hold on, different sizes. Oh, see, that's why you always follow directions. You gotta follow directions. Because I'm grabbing the wrong size screws. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there's big ones and there's small ones. So this one's going here. I'm going to say the big ones. No, it's like the small ones. The small ones go in there. So my mistake. See, gotta read them directions. Better read those directions. Then you're gonna be blaming the company like, hey, it's not working right or it's broke because you didn't put it together right. So, all right, small ones. They seem kind of too small, but I'm guessing they know what they're doing. So that's how we're gonna do it. Okay. All right, that's 2. He's over here. There it is. Oop, that's a big one. Hold on, see? Follow directions. Small one. This is small. Okay? Small one. All right, that's in there. One more small one. Let's see. And hopefully they got some extras. You know, sometimes companies will send like some extra hardware just in case you drop one or lose one. Or they forgot to pack one, they'll just throw some extra ones in there. Okay, small one, had to double check. Okay. So bam, we got them in there. And I'm just gonna tighten them down a little bit, not too much, just enough. Let's try something. But I think this looks good. So get the drill. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, never forget that. Okay. Slide that in there. 1, 2. See if you can see that a little better. See them? 3. Not super tight, it's tight enough. 4. Bam. Okay? That's that part. Now I think we gotta put the arms on. I think that's the next step. Let's see. Back to my handy dandy user manual. Okay, so yeah, it looks like we put 3 screws, put the arms in, put 3 screws in each one. You know, looks pretty simple. Let's see. Does it say which arm is which? No, it doesn't. So I'm just gonna put them on, but still refer back to the directions just to make sure. Let's see. So this is a chair. Ooh, shiny. It's like a mirror. Oh, wow. It's like different dimensions. Look at that. That is cool. Oh, look. See my bike. Got covers all through on it. I just kind of like threw everything around. Can't see my TV. Oh, you see my TV right there. This is cool. It's like a mirror. Shiny. I like that. Oh, look. See the light. This is cool. Okay. So, you see, I'm entertained by simple things. All right, so I want to make sure I put this on right. Let's check the book again. So it looks like the silver part, this silver part is towards the back. Because that's how they got it on here, man. So I'm following that. The silver metal part is towards the back of the chair. So that's how we're going to do it. Just like the directions. So this must be the side, okay? Simple. Listen, follow those directions. Please follow the directions. Always. All right. So these take the long screws. You can see these are a little longer than the other ones. So we're just going, just like we did with the small ones, start them by hand. So there's 1. Let's see. I mean, we gotta do 6 of them. So this is 2. Okay. Everyone get in there, get in there. Get in there, that's your home. That's where you live. This is where you belong. Get in there. All right. This is 3. Yeah, these right here are a little tricky. Definitely. Yeah, you're going to get them in there. All right, so bam, that's 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to go straight to the drill. I ain't even going to play with it. I'm going to go straight to the drill. Drill them in there. Try to do one at a time, or a little bit on each, one at a time, and then until they fully tighten down. There we go. Yeah, because I don't know if you can see this. Let me show you. It's like a little pocket. Oh, let's not lose that. Okay. It's like a little pocket is going into it. See that? It's like going down a little bit. Yeah, so it's not like flush with this plastic part. It's going down into this little pocket, so it's all good. It's not too hard. Just want to make you guys aware of that. Okay. This is nice and tight. Oh. I don't like that sound. But okay. Next arm is right here. And arm number 2. Okay. Wonder if it's shiny like the other one. Probably. Okay. Okay. Get this plastic off. Now, one thing I noticed isn't any cushion on these arms, so they might not be comfortable after a long time. They're just hard plastic. You know, so having your arm on here for a while, it's nice material though, but having your arm on here for a while might get a little tiring. So just keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. I don't know if some of you guys are like fabricators or, I don't know, people that put material on stuff, but maybe put like a cushion on there. I don't know. Alright, so yeah. Put the last 3 screws in, remember, using the bigger ones. Okay, so we're going to start them by hand again. Each one, that's number 1. Number 2. Okay, I'm looking for a 3rd one because I'm like, I don't know, did I drop one? These last ones look small. They look kind of small, but this might be one. That's a small one, okay. It might be one on the sofa. I'm hoping, because I can't use a small one here. Which one will do it? Great, I'm missing a screw. Oh, here it is. Got it. Found it. I found the screw. The long one, the last one. Okay, so put that on there. Remember, you start them by hand. Make sure you get the threads lined up. Okay, and then we go to the drill. The drill just makes it so much easier. Like, I love the drill. I don't gotta sit here and play with an Allen wrench. So. Allen wrenches are fun too, but I ain't got time for that. I like the drill. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bam, they all kind of tight up in there. Okay, make sure they're tight. Okay, cool. So now we got those on. We might as well tighten the back too, just to make sure. Because I don't think I tightened them all the way. There we go. Okay. Listen, get yourself a drill. Men, women, get yourself a drill. All right, next step. We almost done, don't worry. What's next? Okay. It's only like 4 steps. That was step 2. Okay, it's 8 steps. That was step 2. But we're gonna move through it fast. These are like down to the end. This looks like we put on this little back thing or bottom thing. So let's put that on. Okay. Like the wheels. That's cool. Like a caterpillar or something. Okay. And this little bottom piece. Oh yeah. This is important. See how you wrapped it in cardboard? Got the little raising and lowering mechanism. So it's important. As I rip this cardboard apart. Okay. There. Yep, this is the hardware that goes on the bottom. Okay, let's see. Damn. Oh, yeah. It's metal. Metal, baby. All right. What's the next step? Next step is put it on there. Okay. Using the small screws. Okay. And it looks like it just goes on here like this. Like this. Let me see. Looks like the handle is pointing down. Does it go to the back? I don't know. Let's see. The handle points to the back. I'm guessing. Oh yeah, because it says front. That's why you always try to pay attention. Listen. That says front right there. You can see that. See that? This thing is like blocking it, but it says front. Right there, front. So this is the front. Goes to the front of the chair. Bam. Okay, that's why you read directions, people. Gotta read directions. All right. Okay, now this takes 4 screws and 4 washers, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna take each screw, pair it with a washer. See the little washer? Pair it with the screw. Okay, and just like we did the other ones, hand start them. Start them with your hand. Start them by hand. So again, screw, washer, hand started. Hand started. That sounds weird. Get it started. Get it started with your hand. All right. So number 3, we got the third one. And the last one. See, this isn't too hard. This ain't too hard. We only at like 17 minutes right now. I think I'll be done in like 20 minutes. That was easy. Not bad. All right. So yeah, last one. Okay, get the drill. Here it is. Tighten them up. The drill makes it so easy, y'all. I'm trying to tell you. I forget how much it is, but I'm gonna put the link in the description. Because it actually came with this drill and the impact drill, which is good for like taking out like tight screws and things that are like rusted impact drill. And I got the kit. I think the kit was like 20 bucks. I love it. I love it. Okay, so that's one pretty good. Next step. So now I'm trying to beat the clock. Now I'm trying to get done before 20 minutes. All right, next step is 4, which it's not really a step. It's just like, I think it's showing me how it should look right now. Okay, so maybe it's telling me flip it over. All right, I'm gonna flip it over. And this is step 5, I think. Put the wheels on and put that little other piece on. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Flip it over. Ah, here we go. Looks like a chair. It's looking like a chair already. I can sit on that. Well, no, can't put it on the floor like that, but this is a chair. Looks comfy. It looks good. It's a good looking chair. 50 bucks, $50. $50. That's it. Okay. Step 5. Oh, look at this. This is the bottom. It's like a starfish. You know, like a starfish? And it's blue. Oh, it's covered in bubble wrap. Kids are gonna have fun with this later. Well, my kid, and I'm gonna have fun with this later. Like, no. But yeah, you get to, you know, pop a little bubble wrap in the process. This is cool. It's like a starfish. Yeah, we're like driving a yacht or a big boat. This way, mateys. I got too much time on this. But yeah, take off the bubble wrap. Oh, shiny. I like shiny things. Whoa, see, look at that. You can see yourself. That is cool. I'll try to keep this clean. All right, so step number 5, put the wheels in there. Put the wheels up. You gotta take this off. I'm just like throwing it everywhere. They took care of it because it's nice and shiny. It's nice and shiny. Okay. Alright. I'm not trying to race. I'm not trying to race. It's not an emergency. I'm just trying to do it right. That's all. Gotta remind myself, slow down. Don't mess it up. So look at that. This is nice. Yo, metal. You hear that? This is metal. This is high quality stuff right here, yo. $50. $50 from Aldi's. I'm glad I got this. I hope it don't break because I'm gonna be taking that back. But yo, this is a nice chair. $50. Yo. Alright, so I think we just pop the wheels in. I can just pop them in, no screws or nothing. Pop them right in. You get the bag open. There we go. Okay. So take the screw, the wheel, and pop them right in. Let's see, they pop right in? Yeah. Oh, pop right in. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. That's easy. See? Easy stuff. Nothing to worry about. Do this real quick. Pop it in. Bam. Now with these wheels, if you got carpet, you probably should get a chair mat. Because it looks like they will probably get stuck into the carpet. Unless it's like an industrial type carpet that's kind of flat. My carpet upstairs, it's not really plush, but it's plush enough. So I might need a carpet. Might have to get myself a carpet. Okay. Those two wheels. Oh. Dropping stuff. Okay. Last wheel. Well, not the last wheel, but next wheel. Get them in there. Get in there. Get in there. That's your home. That's where you belong. You were made for this. Okay. Hey, that's true though. Okay, so you gotta give it a little force. You can't just like pop it in there. You gotta press down. Don't be a weakling. Get it in there. Okay. Next step. Step number 6. Put this thing in there. Whatever this bar looking thing is. If I can find it. I think this is it. So you can tell the important pieces because they got it in cardboard. So this must be it right here. Oh, it looks like it. Oh, this is some type of piston, hydraulic looking thing. Look at that. Okay. Oh, that's an important piece. There's probably all types of air pressure in there. Got this piece on there, piece on the bottom. Shiny too. So that's important. All right. That's how I judge important things. They're shiny. I know it's not true. Okay, so looks like you put it in this bottom piece. It looked like you just okay. It looked like you just put it right in there, and I don't know. It's in there. Came out the bottom. Well, not all the way, but that's it. As far as it go. Okay, you see that? It's right up in there. All right, and this thing, I can pull it out, but I can't push it through. Maybe because it's like a little taper right there. So put it in. Bam, as far as it go. See? All right. I don't even look away from you guys, sorry. You have my full attention. All right, next step. Bam. Put the chair on top of there. And that's what we want to do. So, let's see. Caution. Don't do that. Don't hold it by this. Okay? Sorry. What was I thinking? I'm about to break the whole damn thing. I just got it. Almost knocked my camera over. Gotta get it together. Don't hold it by this. Do not do what I just did. Especially if you're like recording a YouTube channel in front of it, because you're gonna break your stuff. You're gonna break your stuff. Don't do that. All right. So let's see if you guys can see this. Back it up a little bit. Okay, here's the chair. I'm gonna put the chair right on top. I know you guys want to see that, right? So let's see. There we go. So this part is gonna go right in here. Can you see that? It's like a little circle right there. See that little part opening? Just gonna put that right inside. Bam. See that? See how that went in? I went right in just like that. Now it's in. I'll put it back on the floor because that's where it belongs. Okay, let's see. Get tilted a little bit so you can see a little better. Okay, sorry. No, I can't tilt it. Can't do that, but I'll back it up. Let you guys see real quick. So yeah. Okay, put it on top. I don't know if that's the last step, but let me check. Let me see if that's the last step. Last step looks like make it go up and down. See that? So we're going to do that sitting in it. Okay, why not? It's going to break. It's going to break now. Let's see. Okay, didn't do anything. Okay, let's see. We're going to raise this up too to see. You can see how it raises up and down. Not too high. Okay. Oh, comfy. Comfy. I could drink my water and relax in this joint. Relax. Okay. Now the real test is it going to go up and down. Let's see. Oh. Okay. Okay, look, I'm so high you can't even see me no more. But hey, this is a great chair. That was cool. That was like 25 minutes. You know, didn't take that long. I like the swiveling. Let's see. Let me just swivel. Can I swivel up in here? Swivel. Feet up. Oh, all the way around. That was one kick. It wasn't even that hard to kick. Bam, 360 spinning. You see that? This is a good chair. Get this chair from Audi's. Like, this is a deal. 50 bucks. 50 bucks, yo. Sitting this joint chilling. Oh, hydraulics. Yo, but anyway, thanks for watching. Please check out these links in the description. If you like this chair, the link is there. If you like my drill, drink is there. The drink is there. The link is there. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Hit the little bell so you get notifications when I post anything new. But yeah, man, you can do it. You can do it. Anything you want, but especially putting a chair together like this. Like, it's easy. You can do it. So, as always, guys, have a nice day. Keep it positive, and go create something today.